What are the best 5 ways to make your video more captivating, and how to land clients without having a portfolio? This is what happened with one of my first clients when I tried to land them using this method. But I made a beginner mistake. At 11 a.m., I checked my email, and it turned my whole day upside down. A message caught my eye with an urgent subject line from a real estate company I wanted to take on as a client. They sent me a video made by another video editor and wanted me to modify it. I watched the video, and it was very boring. At the beginning of the video, there are 12 seconds where we only see a person talking.
It's boring.
They talk about a house, but they don't even show it to us. The rest of the presentation is very static and uninteresting, and no color grading. They needed the updated video by the evening, meaning I had less than a full day to make it happen. So, let's get to work. First way to make a video more captivating. Make it visual, especially if you present a house, a car, or anything else. Don't show a person talking, show the thing you are talking about. Second tip, spark curiosity. The goal is to make your viewer think, wait, what happens next? In this case, I tried to spark curiosity through a brief and quick preview. 2 p.m. I had already been working for a few hours when I received a message from the client. He requests to see progress clips. Okay, let's get back to work. Tip number 3. Tell a story. If you want your content to perform better, you need to learn how to tell better stories. Your story should include these plot elements. 3 p.m. The client asks me for new updates. I send the update and continue working on improving the clip. Tip number 4. Interrupt patterns. Avoid using long, uninterrupted shots. Play with video structure. Use visual transition and audio interruptions. 4 p.m. The client asks me for new updates. Final tip. Use striking imagery and visuals. So what makes a visual striking? Over the years, we've found that while creating video content, there's a place for panoramic shots, impressive drone flybys, and stunning photography. They must be relevant to your topic to be effective. 6 p.m. I finished the video and they loved it. But when it came to pricing, their offer was less than half of what I expected. So, what is the best way to start without a portfolio? Take one of their YouTube videos, remake it better. And since they don't trust you yet, you offer the first video for free. But just don't forget to set clear pricing expectations up front.